Hello everyone, welcome back my channel Cyberland. In this video, I will show you how to install SQL Plus in your computer system or Windows. So let's start. First, open your browser and search Oracle SQL Plus Express Edition and press enter. Click on first link. Now you can see download option here. Click on this link for Windows 64. Now Oracle SQL Plus file download complete. Now open your file manager. Open this file and double click on setup application. Now start installation process. Press next. Accept this terms and condition. You can change by default location or set same location. Now press next. Type any password for login purpose. Now wait for few minutes for installing SQL Plus in your Windows. Now finish installation process. Click on finish button and check search SQL and press enter. Enter username. Username is system and password. Type password and press enter. Now we can log in SQL Plus. So I hope all of you understand how to install SQL Plus in your computer system. Thank you for watching this video.